Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Directorate Jong Katra Tourism ka kong BL Pakenten kala Pynshai bakamdon kanu ka project hau Dewlynong Lumpongdeng badda ka baong ba ka Tnad ru ka Kwah ban penne pensa ya ka jing Tnad jong ka memar yang hau Lumpongdeng. Kalaong baha ka jing ilang bat kinong ilam ka foundation ka balalong ha ka janmet ka khat santrik ha nokrek building na kalyang ka Tnad kalayale ban Pynshai ban pensotho ya kane bakamdon kanu ka jingte ka banne how Dewlynong Lumpongdeng. Shu kalaong baka jing dawa jong ka Green Tech Foundation ban wengno ka project how Lumpongdeng kamdon jingmut AA na marki project baka sorkar katmu bantay kalong ha ka waypat ka jaka kata ha Orchid Resort umyam. Haba benrap kala kentu kinong ilam jong ka foundation bakin wengno shwa ka jing ki bat lada ki don kanu ki benta ki bakwa ban ekren kin la ban wan ban ekren penbet.
We feel that their mandate and what they want is also what we want, is the preservation, the upliftment, and to keep the nature intact over there for people to enjoy nature. So what they want is also what we want. No permanent structure there, and to give prominent attention to the nature in Lumpongdeng. Their main focus is the Lumpongdeng, and in no uncertain terms have we told them that there will be no permanent construction in Lumpongdeng, and we will continue. We are open to any dialogue, discussion, consultation with them. We requested them that if they feel they still have to go ahead with the opposing the project, the Lumpongdeng, that is on them, but we have requested that at least to withdraw the hunger strike because it involves a human life. It is a humanitarian issue, and at least to withdraw the hunger strike first. All other things we can continue to talk. There is no harm in talking. There is no harm for them to also raise their objection, provided that no bodily harm should come to any of their members. That is the most concerning issue for us. They want us to withdraw any project there in Lumpongdeng. But the question of withdrawing projects in Lumpongdeng does not arise because there is no project in Lumpongdeng. The project is in the OLR, the existing OLR site, to which they have not raised any objection, which will also will be reviewed from case to case. So if there are any concerns, we will review. But as of now, there is no project in the Lumpongdeng. The Lumpongdeng remains untouched in terms of construction. So what is there to withdraw when there is no project in the first place? What they want is also what we want, which is to preserve the beauty and the nature in Lumpongdeng.